Hi, everyone, and welcome to today's session Severance Pay Around the World. What is mandatory, what's cultural, and what's smart? I'm Theba, and in the next 5 minutes, we'll talk about one of the most sensitive yet critical aspects of managing a global workforce severance. When hiring globally, companies often focus on getting payroll right, offering the right benefits, or managing compliance during onboarding. But what's often overlooked is offboarding. So let's talk about it. Termination and severance are just as important. They carry legal, financial, and reputational risks that can have a big impact on your business. Why severance matters globally. Severance isn't just about money. It touches compliance, brand reputation, and even future hiring potential. If severance is handled poorly, companies face lawsuits, government penalties, and damage to their employer brand, especially in smaller or close knit talent markets where word spreads quickly. On the flip side, a well managed exit builds long term goodwill. Employees may come back later, refer candidates, or remain advocates for your brand. For customers using Deel, this is especially relevant because many of you are expanding internationally, hiring unique global talent, or setting up flexible projects abroad. Severance is part of that life cycle. There are three layers to severance. When we talk about severance, it helps to think about it in these layers. So, number one, mandatory severance, what the law requires, and this is non negotiable. And you should probably have a look for the local markets that your employee works in. Number two, cultural norms. What do these employees expect, even if it's not written in law? This is about protecting reputation and maintaining fairness. And then we have strategic severance. What's smart to offer above the minimum to reduce liability and protect relationships and yourself? Successful companies know how to balance all three. I'm going to give you a few country examples in regards to what's required and expected. So let's look at some major hiring markets. And I'm just going to go through the top three. In Spain, you are legally required about 33 days' salary per year of service. And terminations usually need justification. In Chile, 30 days per year of service capped at 11 years applies after 1 year of employment. And then we have Brazil, severance plus a mandatory 40% fine on the FGTS, Employee Severance Fund, and companies often add more to avoid legal disputes. And of course, if you have any questions about your specific country, let us know and we'll be able to tell you. Now, what's important here is that even with the same region, the requirements and expectations vary significantly. So let's talk about the strategic side of severance. Beyond what's required, many companies choose to go further. In countries like China, Sweden, and Brazil, employers often provide an extra 1 to 3 months of salary on top of the legal minimum. Why? Because this helps secure waivers of legal claims, reduces disputes, and maintains goodwill. This is especially common for senior roles or sensitive exits where the risk of conflict is much higher. I also wanted to go through termination complexities. And this is another factor to consider. What does low complexity look like? Countries like the US, Singapore, and the UK, where at will or flexible termination rules apply, that is considered low complexity. In Canada, India, and Mexico, you're looking at moderate complexity. And high complexity countries include China, Sweden, France, where regulation, unions, and strict employee protection make termination much harder. And this matters because the higher the complexity, the more careful you need to be about severance and compliance. What are some best practices for global offboarding? Always research statutory requirements first. Layer in the cultural norms, what's expected in practice, not just on paper. Consider that strategic severance as a business tool. So offer more than the minimum when you need to protect a brand reputation or avoid lengthy disputes. For senior or sensitive exits, pair severance with waivers of legal claims and build consistent frameworks, but allow flexibility for local norms when it's accounted for. And here's how Deel can help. We can automate severance calculation, build it into our platform, and it'll be based on local laws. Access to in-country experts who understand the legal and cultural nuances are available. We have clear workflows for compliant offboarding in over 150 countries. And as the employer of record, Deel takes on the legal liabilities in those markets, reducing risk for you for employer of records. This means whether you're scaling into Brazil, hiring in India, or offboarding in Germany, you don't need to become a local expert overnight because you have Deel. What are some of the key takeaways? Severance is not one size fits all. It's a mix of laws, culture, and strategy. Plan for offboarding fees and severance. Offering more than just the legal minimum can help protect your business, reputation, and relationships. And using a partner like Deel ensures you remain compliant, competitive, and confident in global offboarding. So scaling globally means planning for every stage of the employee lifecycle, not just hiring, but also the exits. And if you want to learn more about how Deel can help you simplify severance and offboarding, we'd love to set up some time and chat with you. Thank you for joining, and I'm happy to take your questions via email.